Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're diving into a topic that has crossed the minds of many men. How to turn a woman on quickly, whether you're in a relationship or getting to know someone. Do the question of attraction is a big one. What makes a woman feel attracted? How does a man create that chemistry? We're going to cover 5 key secrets to turning a woman on, starting from the psychological basics of attraction to some practical techniques that will help you out. These aren't just random ideas either. Many of these principles are rooted in psychological studies and relationship science. So whether you're looking to build a deeper connection with a woman or just boost your confidence, you'll want to stick around. Until then, let's dive in segment 1. The basics of female attraction. Before we get into the juicy tips, let's break down how attraction works for women. Attraction isn't just about physical looks, although that plays a part for most women. Attraction. It's a combination of mental and emotional connection, along with a feeling of security. In fact, there are 3 key pieces that are crucial when it comes to turning a woman on. Protect Kingdom. Women are naturally more attracted to men who make them feel safe. This doesn't #1 necessarily mean you need to be a superhero, but appearing strong, reliably, and having her back when things go wrong will open doors to deeper attraction. Provision in the back of their minds. Women are hardwired to look for partners who can provide this. Is not just about financial provision, but also emotional support and stability. Assurance to know that you're someone who can take care of her needs when things get tough. Professing women tend to feel insecure at times, and a man who shows clear interest and professes his attraction through actions more than words boosts her confidence. But remember, don't just say you're into her, show her through your actions, such as paying attention to the little things or buying her when she needs support. These 3 basics lay the groundwork. Now let's get into specific techniques that can help you make that instant connection and turn her in. Segment 2. First tip: the way you look matters. You may have heard that looks don't matter much, but that's only half the story. Women do care about physical appearance, but it's less about looking like a Hollywood star and more about showing you take care of yourself. Women tend to be turned on by men who arrange shape. This isn't just about having muscles. It's about showing discipline, a fit. Man signals that he has control over his life, and this makes her feel like is capable of taking care of her. So hitting the gym or even starting with small steps, like walking regularly, can make a huge difference. Here's the thing: extreme muscularity isn't always what women find most attractive. Active research shows that women prefer men who are athletic but not overly built. Think of someone who looks healthy and active. You don't have to look like Theric, but aiming for a toned athletic shows you care about your body hitch. It's very attractive. Pro tip: if you're just starting out, don't worry even a little for it, like cleaning up your grooming gland. Dressing well can boost how you're perceived. Small improvements add up. Segment 3. Second tip: make her law one of the easiest and most effective ways to turn a woman on is lesson 2. Through humor. Making her laugh breaks the ice and helps create a positive mood, which makes her more receptive to further attraction. Laughter has been proven to release feel-good chemicals in the brain, which makes her associate that good feeling with you. But here's a trick: don't just stick to the basic jokes. Mix in a little playful teasing. You can make fun of something small, like a quirky habit of hers. If she asks too many personal questions, you can flirt by saying something like, maybe you'll have to stick around to find out. It keeps the interaction playful and keeps guessing. Segment 5. Fourth tip: subtle physical tics. When you're on a date, one of the most powerful ways to build attraction is through touch, and this is important, it has to be subtle at first. Way you touch a woman can make all the difference. Simple gestures like a light touch on her back arm or brushing her hair aside when talking closely can create a sense of closeness without feeling too forward. When done right, it shows confidence and helps build sexual tension. But here's a tip: don't overdo it. Start small and see how she responds. If Seems comfortable, you can escalate a physical touch neutrally segment. 6. Fifth type emotional connect. While physical attraction is important, most women need to feel an emotional connection before they fully open up to you. Women are more likely to get turned on when they feel safe and connected emotionally. Opening up about personal things within reason creates a sense of vulnerability that can bring you closer. Don't go too deep too fast, but sharing something meaningful shows her that you're more than just surface level. If you can bond over a shared experience or common interest, this will build the emotional intimacy that deepens her attraction to you. Segment 7. 6. Tip: nonverbal communication. Body language is just as important as what you say. Maintaining eye contact is one of the most powerful nonverbal cues when it comes to attraction. By keeping strong eye contact, you show confidence and attentiveness, which can be incredibly attractive. Another thing to remember is show you carry yourself. Your posture, your gestures, and even your facial expressions can convey confidence and control, which women find irresistible. Pay attention to her body language too. If she's mirroring your movements or making lots of eye contact, we can eye contact it's sign she's engaged and attracted to you. Segment 8. 7th tip: bulel's sexual scene. Sexual tension is an essential part of turning a woman on, and it often begs with playful flirting and body language. Once you have built the tension, don't be afraid to escalate. But remember, building sexual tension isn't about rushing things, it's about making her want more. Sometimes it can be as simple as suggesting scene or scenarios or flirting in a way that subtly hints at attraction without being too forward. Let her imagination run wild, and she'd be more inclined to take the next steps. Segment 9. 8th tip: be your confidence. Finally, the most powerful tool in your arsenal is confidence. Women are attracted to men who are sure of themselves. Confidence isn't about being cocky or arrogant. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. Not being afraid of rejection. When you're confident, you're more likely to attract others to you. Naturally, women notice how you interact with others, how you carry yourself, and whether you're self-assured. A confident man can walk into a room and command attention without saying a word. Conclusion. So there you have it, the 8 powerful secrets to turning a woman on. It's all about a mix of mental, emotional, and physical attraction, with a good dose of mystery and humor sprinkled in. Remember, it's not just about one thing, but a combination of factors that create the ultimate chemistry. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.